Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Deco x50 with the Deco x60 and what are the main differences that you need to know regarding the specs. So primarily the thing here is the Wi-Fi speed is same on both. So the Wi-Fi speed there isn't any difference. And then the next thing that you're going to find difference is the Wi-Fi range. So Wi-Fi range is better for x60 but comparing to x50, but not much. Also with the x50 you are going to have one thing called AI driven mesh. It intelligently learns the network environment to provide the ideal Wi-Fi unique to your home. Then you are going to have the Deco x60. You are going to don't have it, the AI thing. Then when you're gonna go further, you're gonna have 4 antennas for x60 comparing to 2 antennas for x50, so that's better. Then you do on both you have more MIMO, and on streams you can have 6 streams for x60, and then more VPN client and server, and then also for more Ethernet ports you can have for x50. But other than that, like x60, if you need more streams, more coverage, more antennas, you need to go with the x60, but other than that, like, there isn't much difference regards everything else. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.